Hi guys, so I'm doing a video today, so I said I would basically do a full-length video about this. So basically how I actually got that was um 1 second. Hi guys, so basically the stuff you'll need is Keynote for one. Two, you need your handle for YouTube. And then you also would also need your icon for YouTube that you use, and you also need a PNG file that has an alpha channel for basically the center button and also here. So you open up Keynote, and then you create new document. Then you click here. You'll click the black one. You can click whatever color you want, as long as you can remove the background transition, and then you delete, and then you click it and delete, or you can highlight them all and delete. Go to view, and then go to show object list. It shows us like this. Zoom out to 100. I mean, zoom out so where it's basically smaller, like this. And now you go over to where it says documents. Go to where it says right here. Whatever size your short view is, or whatever you're making animation for, you click on custom size. I'm making this for short. As you see, it's 1920 by 1080p. You go 1080 by 1920. You get the perfect vertical. And then after that, you zoom out more, just so it shows like that. Then after that, you take your PNG, your YouTube logo. Then you basically take your image icon. Then you go like this, or however big you want it. I'm gonna basically say probably a little bit smaller than this. So as you can see, like that. Now, after this, you click on this one. You click where it says right here. You click send to back. Send to back. And so you then basically take this right here, organize it so it shows the how you want. So it shows my logo like that. Then you go here. Then you go to group. And then after that, you take this and lower it to the size you want. I'm gonna say this way is kind of still too big. There you go. Probably a little bit bigger actually, because as you can see, it shows YouTube at your icon as long as it's something like that. You can go to here, and then you go to then you go to here, and then it's done. You can rename the group if you want. I'm just going to leave it as is. You make text. Then for me, it is at wiideathmod. So that's my handle. And now you go here, and then go to format, and then after that, you go to text, and then you raise this up to the size you want. I say right there is big enough. We'll make sure everything's the same size. Okay. I say 88 is perfectly fine. Then you go to annotate. Then you go to here. Then go to spin. I think it's actually flip. So flip. Change this to 2 seconds. So when you do preview like that, and now you take this and go to here, and now you go to bounce. Jiggle like that. And once you go like that for jiggle, you go to build and you take this and with build one, and I go preview. So as you can see, it does it all like that. And then for the jiggle, you can have it do every 2 seconds. And so when you do this, it jiggles. And so then after that, after testing it, you then go to here. And then you go to export movie. Then you go to 1080 by 1920. Now save it as a MOV. Save it as I'm going to think of a name. Handle .mov. Export. It will do its thing. And so now when you close out of this, and if you basically have any issues where it's not the way you want, like it files too actually big, then you can just name it. You actually can make it into smaller, but you have to do the file conversion to make it smaller size. So if we play this, it doesn't play, see, because we're using VLC. Because MOV is basically a is Apple format, and if you're playing on a Mac, you have to right click, open with, QuickTime, and now you have it like this. So as you saw, it did the bounce once. But now, since we know it works, you take OBS. I'm doing this live. Sorry about that. This is kind of scuff, but basically you take this and then you basically make this 1080p. So first, what I would do is basically take this, go to properties, and then go loop. Once you go loop, you basically have it close after files inactive. Just make sure it would work. So now you just fit this to your screen. So if you already have a short setup, or this can be used for like any setup. So basically, just make it wider if you're using 1080. But if you're using short setup, it needs to be in vertical aspect. But sorry about that. So that was an accident. So I accidentally clicked the wrong button. So when it's like this is how you have it. So you click on your handles, you click filter, and then you click on here, effect, then you go to color key. After you go to color key, you click color key. Whatever you have the background set to, because if it's set to a green background, which would be easier because of the color keys already set to like green, I just use black because of sometimes wear green actually close. And basically if you make this into a layer, it would be easier just to get rid of black. But basically I make these in a separate layer. So you click black, for example, for this case, then you have it like this, and press close, and as you see, you have a logo that basically says that shows that it's there. And as you see, it's right there. So, and if we move this back over here, it has it does the spinning, and then it also does a bounce. So, and it does this faster. So if you want it to go a little bit faster, you click here, go to properties, and then you go down to where it says here speed. You increase the speed by however much you want. I say 110 would be perfectly fine. Press OK, and then you have it set up so it basically takes 10 seconds just to do actually that. And so it boots, and it just does this for your video. So basically, when you are doing shorts, you have a nice icon like that. You have a nice banner. Also shows your icon for YouTube right there, and it's in a video format, so you can just save as a file. And if you want to save it, so basically it takes up even less space, you can use a tool to like turn it into a VB9 file. And when turned to a VB9 file, you can just import it into OBS and use like a lot less resources versus this right now. With everything I have running on this instance of OBS, it uses more resources because of I have a couple things I have running on here. So, but that's how you can do it with makes it easy. So, thanks for watching, and bye.